Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. And today's video is going to be on the Wicked Widow Beauty Tea Time palette. Like, how beautiful is this packaging, you guys? Just freaking gorgeous, and the shades on the inside are even more beautiful. Can you guys just see how pretty these are? I'm trying to do it so you don't get like my light in the way. All right, there you go. Just beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous, amazing, pretty shades. I love Wicked Widow Beauty. Their formula is phenomenal. I can't wait. Let's get started with this beautiful palette. Shit. Just dropping stuff all over the place. I've just been off the last couple videos. I feel like my brushes are disappearing. I don't know where they're going. And just trying to get everything together sometimes is a hassle. Alright, I'm going to start with the shade Dreamer, which is this really pretty green shade right here. Let's just move that hair out of the way. Very pretty. Love that bright green. So pretty. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Imposter, which is this shade right here. And we're just going to put that just like a little bit underneath that green shade and just kind of blend them together. Alright, now for my favorite part, shimmer time. I'm not sure what I want to go in with first. Let's just do a little swatchy swatch. So first I'm going to do the shade The Key, which is, oh my goodness. Okay, so This is the shade The Key, which is, oh shit, technical difficulties, lights are going out. Okay, anyway, this shade right here is the shade The Key, which is this top shade right here. And then I'm going to swatch the shade Rabbit, which is this really pretty purple right here. And that is the shade Rabbit. And then the shade Drink Me is this really pretty shade right there. And that is that shade right there. It's probably a little hard to see because I'm like just as pale as that shade. And then the last shade is Who Are You, which is a shade down here. And that is the shade right there. These are just so pretty. I love them. Huh. Okay, we're going to start with the shade Who Are You, and I'm going to put my glitter primer on. That NYX glitter primer. I've been trying to get better about using it. Alright. So, I think we're going to start off with that shade Who Are You, which since I've been using the glitter primer, I've been trying to use like more of like a brush like this, not like a flat shader brush. So going with that shade Who Are You, because I feel like that's going to go so well with the green and the blue shade. And let's just put this on this outer portion of the lid, which of course it is absolutely gorgeous. I always have trouble with putting too much primer down though, and then I get that tacky feeling, which I don't like. But this shade is absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. So pretty. It's still feeling pretty tacky. I'm just trying to pat it down. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the shade The Key, which was this top shade right here. And we're gonna do that inner portion of the eye. And just gonna gently blend those two shades together. Now that's pretty. Very, very pretty. I've just been all about the blues and the greens lately. Maybe it's like springtime and we're finally getting some color back. Everything's not as dreary. All right. That is so pretty, just phenomenal. All right. I love it. Now let's go ahead and do the other eye. Just a little bit of that glitter primer. All right, now we're gonna do the same thing. Let me just get, I think I'm the only person who can sit something down and then 2 seconds later, it's gone. Like, no clue where it went. Because that brush I just had is now missing. Okay, anyway, here's the shade Who Are You? That's our first shade we're going to go in with. And again, it is just stunning. Just absolutely gorgeous. And now for that inner portion of the eye, we're gonna go in with the shade The Key, which is that shade right there. Another just absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, stunning shade. I just absolutely love these shades. I mean, they are just gorgeous. All right, so for the lower lash line, give me about 12 hours to find the right brush for that. All right. I want to go in with this really pretty purple shade, Nonsense, which is that shade right there. Very pretty. All right. Now for the lower inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go in with that purple shade Rabbit, which is right there. And it is so pretty. I'm gonna go do my mascara and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back and this is the finished look. And I love it. These shimmers are amazing. This is just such a fun, beautiful palette. And again, it's the Wicked Widow Beauty Tea Time palette. And here is the inside of that gorgeous palette. Just absolutely stunning, beautiful. A perfect spring palette, you guys. Like, these shades are just so bright and vibrant, and the shimmers, as always, are phenomenal. So that is it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching, for subscribing to my channel, for commenting down below. It means so much to me. Just thank you so much for the support. I love filming. I love getting to share new makeup with you guys. I've gotten a couple recommendations for some new indie brands to try out, which I'm hoping in the coming weeks I'll be able to try out. And you guys, please feel free to comment down below your favorite indie brands. They're just so good. They do things that regular brands just can't do. And I've just completely fallen in love with indie makeup. So please comment down below your favorite indie brands I should try out. I try to keep it as affordable as possible. I know with, indie brands, they do more, so it's going to cost a little bit more, but I try to keep it as affordable as possible. So yeah, comment down below your favorite indie brands. I would love to try them. Just thank y'all again so much. I hope you have a wonderful day, night, morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. I hope that you know that you're amazing, you're loved. You can do all the great things. Just go out and do something that makes you happy, today. And I will see y'all in the next one.